Hi, this is Ashnoor Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, as you might have seen in my birthday vlog, that I kind of had like this chat with a few of my fans, and that really made my birthday very special. So I thought, why not kind of go in depth of that? And because I had recorded that Zoom session, so I'm going to have that in this video, so you can go through that and you can see the way I interacted with all of them, and we had a great time. So let's go.
You want to see?
Testing.
Hello.
Yes. Testing.
देख नहीं पिन
एक घंटे का है मम्मा पूरा।
पिन नहीं है। चलो बस आप ध्यान रखना ऐसे गिरेगा
माइक इधर लगा दो एक ही
पिन
पिन।
कहाँ है बेटा?
अरे वो रही मेरे उसमें है, मेरे बैग में। वाह पापा, आई लव यू।
मैं 17।
तो अशनूर दे क्यों लिखा हुआ है?
वो क्यों? बिकॉज पहले से चलता आ रहा है आपका।
अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे ऐशी बुलाया करो। मुझे जो निकनेम आप सबने दिया है ऐशी, वो बहुत पसंद है। दीदी वीडियो में बुलाया करो मुझे। हाय गाइस।
Hello, happy birthday.
Thank you. Hi. Guys, can you all just turn on your videos? Everybody.
Yes, sure.
Guys, now tell me one thing. How do you want me to start talking to you? Should I do like one by one, or do you want to continue like this? We can have like a one by one, and rest of the people can be muted that time, and then
Not
एक करके
choice.
सबको unmute कर देंगे. वंश बोलो.
एक बार मेरी मम्मी से बात कर लिया।
हाँ, for sure. Hi auntie.
Namaste, happy birthday to you.
कैसे हैं आप? Thank you so much. Okay.
हेलो अशनूर।
Hello uncle, कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया। मैंने कहा वंश जो है आपका बहुत फैन है, बहुत बड़ा।
Thank you.
और वीडियोस।
Yes, Zeenat, how are you?
Noor, I'm good, and you?
All good. I love your hairband. बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है.
I'm so happy. I can't believe कि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ आज.
Even I can't believe I'm so happy talking to you. आपके edits में देखती हूँ, बहुत प्यारे edits बनाते हो आप. And thank you for all the love. You're very sweet. You're as beautiful as your edits.
Oh wow, thank you so much. You are also.
Thank you. I guess हमारी सबसे चुलबुली member of the group है अमरजोत, है ना? I keep seeing your funny comments and all of that. That's very cute. I love it. और बताओ कैसा चल रहा है सब कुछ? How's everything?
मुझे तो लगा था कि मेरे फ्लाइंग चप्पल आएगी.
No. ये मस्ती के लिए फ्लाइंग चप्पल नहीं आती.
कोई ना, अब मैं करूँगी.
हाँ, बिंदास करो.
Hi Ashi,
Hi Shruti,
How
how
are
are you? All good,
I'm
all
fine.
good.
happy birthday.
Thank you so much. How's everything? What's happening?
Fine. Online classes bus.
Yes, which standard?
8th.
Oh, that's cute. That's great. Where do you stay? Which city?
I'm from Patna.
From Patna. Okay, great.
Hi Ashnoor.
Hi Paricha, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
All good. What's happening? How's everything?
Everything is good. What about you?
All good.
How is your birthday going?
Oh, birthday is going well. Just with me and mom, dad. That's what's happening. You tell me, how's everything at home? Everything is safe? सब
Yes.
ठीक है घर पे?
I can't believe I'm talking to you. I'm really your big fan.
Thank you. Which class are you in?
I am in 7th now.
You're in 7th. Okay. कहाँ से हो आप? वापस?
I'm
आप?
from Pakistan. I'm
Where-
from
where?
Pakistan, Lahore.
Where in Pakistan? Lahore. Okay, great. And thank you for all the support of you.
प्लीज आप मुझे एक बार फ्रेंड ऑफ द वीक बनाओ.
ठीक है, मैं बनाती हूँ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो जो भी मैं शूट करूंगी, I'll make you fun of it.
आपको सबसे पहले किसने विश किया बर्थडे में?
मॉम डैड ने विश किया सबसे पहले तो, उसके बाद मेरे जो 2 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, एक तो इस मीटिंग में भी है बेचारा, ही हेल्प्स मी अ लॉट, विशेष, पॉजिटिव माइंड कॉन्फिडेंट सोल्स, दैट्स हिज यूजर नेम, so he helps me a lot in every technical thing that I have to do. So विशेष and अलीफा मेरे 2 बेस्टेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, उन दोनों ने मुझे मॉम डैड के बाद सबसे पहले उन्होंने विश किया।
अर्शी, आपका फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है?
I really like accounts अभी, क्योंकि I'm a commerce student, तो accounts मुझे काफी इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है।
आपकी बैलेंस शीट एक बार हो जाती है?
नहीं यार, कभी कभार नहीं टैली होती है, एंड जब टैली नहीं होती बहुत स्ट्रेस आ जाता है, स्पेशली एग्जाम के टाइम, यू नो कहाँ क्या मिस्टेक हो गई कैलकुलेशन में, सो दैट्स अ बिग स्ट्रेस, बट जब थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस करते हो फिर होने लगता है, तो इट्स ऑल फाइन।
हैप्पी बर्थडे अर्शी, एक्साइटेड में हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलना भूल गई।
नो प्रॉब्लम, थैंक यू सो मच। एनीथिंग एल्स, आपको और कुछ पूछना है मुझसे?
मुझे बात तो बहुत कुछ करनी है, पर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है क्या करूं।
मैं इतनी सुंदर हूँ, मैं क्या करूँ?
अब सबसे ज्यादा वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा आप ब्यूटीफुल हो।
नहीं, nothing like that, but thank you for the compliment, thank you so much.
नहीं
Yes,
आपका
thank
वो
you मुस्कान, thank you so
आपके
much.
फैन ने बनाया है,
Okay, किसने बनाया है? बहुत प्रिटी है।
नरेंद्र जीत।
अरे ये मुझे पोस्ट आप भेजो ना DM पे, I'll reshare it on my story. That's so pretty, thank you so much. बहुत बहुत beautiful है। He is supremely talented. हाँ, मैं कर दूंगी, थैंक यू सो मच। नाम क्या बोला आपने?
नरेंद्र जी,
थैंक यू सो मच, यू आर एक्सट्रीमली टैलेंटेड एंड बहुत प्यारे एडिट्स बनाए आपने, थैंक यू।
Happy birthday.
थैंक यू मरियम, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
You're from Bangladesh. Okay, that's great. How old are you?
16.
You're 16. Okay, my age, same age, almost.
Yeah, close.
Close, very close.
How are you spending your birthday?
How am I spending my birthday? So it's basically just me and my mom, dad. We've like booked a suite and we are here because obviously we can't celebrate it, and when we are at home it would feel like we're not celebrating any sort of a special day. So I just thought it would be a change, and it would be great if we can kind of come and celebrate the birthday like this. So that's what's happening.
Yeah, I can understand. Even my birthday is going to be on lockdown.
Oh, when is your birthday?
18 June.
18 June. I know, this always happens. I mean, अब बीच में ठीक हो गया था लॉकडाउन, everything was fine, everybody celebrated their birthdays, but when it comes to us and my birthday especially that month, there's a lockdown.
COVID comes to celebrate the birthday with us.
I know. That's very wrong on COVID's part.
Yeah, we do not want to celebrate with it.
Oh, we need to beat it up together.
Yeah.
We do.
Yeah, yes. When are you coming to Bangladesh?
No plans as of now, but that's what I'm kind of a bit avoiding to travel during these times, because it's like on its peak and stuff, and especially people of our age are getting it, so everybody please stay safe. But any plans for Bangladesh, I will surely let you know very soon.
Yeah, I could love to meet you. It's my dream to meet you. I cannot even believe I'm talking to you right now. My heart is beating so fast.
Just be careful, it shouldn't run away. The heart shouldn't run away being so fast. Thank you for all the love, thank you for always supporting, and lots of love.
And thank you so much for always making us smile.
Thank you.
You always make us so happy.
Thank you.
And thank you for this as well.
Oh, I had to do this. I mean, I wanted to do this since a very long time. I was also planning to kind of do the reaction on fan edits video for my YouTube, but I need I want to shoot it properly at once. I want a proper setup ताकि अच्छे से मैं shoot कर पाऊँ, and I can have all of you over there and stuff like that. But the thing is, lockdown हो गया, so I couldn't kind of shoot it properly. So I thought, why not give this as a return gift to all you guys who've put on so many efforts and who've always supported me. And genuinely, guys, it means the world to me. all the love you guys pour in, and I'm really, really blessed to have you all. Really, and I really
Even
mean
we're blessed to
everything
have
that
an
I'm
idol
saying.
like you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mariam.
I'm fine.
And how's
Happy birthday.
everything? Thank you so
All
much.
good. मैम आपका जो नया परी हूँ मैं उसके लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा?
परियों में क्या हुआ ना, वो 18th को इट वाज सपोज टू लॉन्च, लेकिन परियों में के कुछ टेक्निकल टीम में से किसी को कोविड हो गया एक्चुअली, तो उसकी वजह से थोड़ा हॉल्ट पे है, ताकि जब वो ठीक हो तो ही हम रिलीज करें। तो उनके बस रिकवरी का वेट कर रहे हैं, जैसे ही वो रिकवर होंगे मोस्टली इस मंथ में तो हो जाना चाहिए। मैं भी एक बार पूछती हूँ उनसे कब कर रहे हैं वो रिलीज, मुझे भी देखना है, मैंने अभी तक कोई नहीं देखी है सीरीज, बट आई होप यू गाइस लाइक इट। जब भी रिलीज हो, वेब डेब्यू है, एंड होप यू ऑल लव इट।
That's great. So when are you coming to Haryana to meet your fans, ma'am?
No plans as of now, but whenever I plan, I'll let you know.
Have you ever came here?
Yeah,
Have you ever come here?
I've come to Haryana, but I was very young when I came to Haryana. So it's been a very long time since I've been there. But I'll plan for sure, because I'm seeing a lot of fans in Punjab. तो मुझे आई गेस एक पंजाब टूर पे जाना पड़ेगा पूरा, बट जल्दी प्लान करेंगे, बहुत जल्दी। Thank you. I would love to meet all of you very soon.
Stay safe, Ashi. आप भी अपना
Yeah,
ख्याल रखिए।
you too. Thank you for the edits. बहुत प्यारे edits बनाते हो. And I mean, obviously, I'm not able to check all of them out every time, but I'll surely try to be as regular as possible. आपके birthday edits भी मैं देखूंगी अभी. And thank you for all the love. Hi Safa, how are you?
Hi.
कैसे हो आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
आप ठीक हो? आप क्यूट हो।
मैंने आपके लिए कुछ लिखा है हिंदी में पहली बार।
ओह,
आप
ओके।
सुनेंगे तो मुझे अच्छा
जी
लगेगा।
बिल्कुल।
पहली बार तो सुना नहीं है क्या?
ओके। आप भाग रहे हो क्या? Are you rushing somewhere? You're literally breathing so heavily. All okay?
I'm actually so nervous that I'm breathing so heavily. That's it. रब से पता करना चाहते हैं कैसे बनी ये नूर हमारी, तुमसे मिली तो हंसने लगी, रुकी हुई तो तारी आसी सुनी, ना मिली हूँ तुमसे कभी फिजिकली, मिले हैं हम यही अभी वर्चुअली, देखी नहीं सपना कभी जिसमें ऐसे समय रही, देखती हुई आंखें तेरी दे रहे हैं जन्मदिन के।
Thank you so much, Dashra. That was very sweet of you, and lots of love to you. Bye, guys.
Happy birthday, Ashnu.
See you. Thank you, everyone. It was a great time talking. Bye. I'll just end this meeting now.
Hi guys, so that was for how I interacted with my fans during my birthday, and I had an amazing Zoom call with them. I really loved interacting with each one of you, and I hope I'm able to meet all of you who are watching this as well someday or the other. Fan of the week, as it was demanded by Ashnoor Maharashtra FC Muskan. It's you, congratulations, you're the fan of the week. And we have another fan of the week, which is Dhruv. He's on Instagram as being Ashnoorian. He couldn't join us today due to some family reasons, but he's been a very true fan, and lots of love to you both, lots of love to all my fans, all my well-wishers, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Take care, stay safe, lots of love to you guys. Thank you for all that you do. Ta-da.